I'm Cass and this is my food channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I am making homemade healthy bran muffins. So let's get started. To make these delicious muffins, we need 2.5 cups of self-raising flour, 1.25 cup of wheat bran flakes, 3/4 cup buttermilk, and 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 egg. You are going to whisk your egg. Once that is done, let's add in the dry ingredients first. We're going to add in our flour, our sugar, your egg, and you are going to start mixing. Add in your bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, your oil. I'm using sunflower cooking oil, and mix. Add in your bran wheat flakes. Add your buttermilk and mix. We're going to add the last ingredient, a cup of water. Make sure you mix all the ingredients in well. In the meantime, set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. It needs to be preheated. Once the oven light goes off, you can pop in the muffins into your oven. This is how the batter looks for your bran muffin. I'm using a silicone muffin pans. What I'm going to do is spray non-stick cook and bake spray into the cup section. We are going to put spoonsful of the batter into the muffin pan. You can add about 2 spoons of it. You want to keep it at least 3/4 full because it's going to rise up and it's going to overflow on the pan if you put too much of the batter. So keep it at around about 3/4 of it, the cup filled. You want to tap it a little bit to remove the air bubbles. Okay, so let's pop it into the oven. The oven light has just gone off and we are going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes you can check up on it. If it's still a little bit of doughy and stickiness on the top of it, bake it for an extra 5 minutes. We'll check on it soon. It's about 15 to 20 minutes and I've just taken out my muffins. So that is how my muffins look after about 15 to 20 minutes. Put it on a wire rack or on a huge plate and let it cool for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Once it's cooled off, then you can eat it. If you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass, please like, share and subscribe.